Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk about 5 ways to make money as a teenager in 2020. So here are the 5 ways that I have chosen. So the first one is to start a car cleaning or detailing business. The second one is editing videos for people. Third one, working as a web developer. The fourth one, starting a YouTube channel. And the fifth one is cutting grass for people. So now we'll go into more detail. So the first one is starting a car cleaning / detailing business. As a teenager, starting a car detailing or car cleaning business could be a good idea because you can choose when you're available to wash people's cars. As you're younger, you could charge lower prices than competitors, so you could easily find people who want their car washed for cheap. It doesn't need a large amount of money to start off because the only things you need to start is a few basic cleaning products, as you could use the hosepipe at the destination you're cleaning the car. It also doesn't take too long to clean a car, so you could be making quite a lot of money in the time you have spare. The second one is editing videos for people. Another way you can make money as a teenager is editing videos for people like YouTubers or videographers. If you're good at editing videos, this is a really good method for you. People like YouTubers will be making lots of money, and they make their money from their YouTube videos that they publish. So the more videos that they make, the more money they'll make. But editing videos is normally the part that takes the longest to do, so they would happily pay someone to do that for them, and so then they would have more time to record videos, and that would be making them more money. To start this, you can message as many YouTubers as you can and ask if you can edit a video for free to show your skills, and then when you edit it really well, they'll want to hire you. I would start off messaging smaller channels, as you're not going to straight away be editing videos for large YouTubers. The third one is working as a web developer. This would be a hard one to do, but if you can do it, you'll be earning loads of money. If you know how to code or learn how to code, this is a great way for you. Lots of people want websites made for their businesses or brands, and they will pay people to make them for them. There are lots of ways you can learn how to code, like school and online courses. This is a great way to make money, as you have the potential to expand into a full-time business if you're really good at coding. The fourth one is starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is a great idea, as it has potential to make you lots of money and can be fun at the same time. If you have a hobby or a passion that is interesting, or you just want to make videos all you need to do is start with a camera. This is a great idea if you do things that people might find interesting, as you would probably end up with lots of people watching your videos. The hardest part about YouTube is starting it, and you just have to not give up and keep making videos, and you shall slowly grow. The fifth one is cutting people's grass. Everyone says this, but the reason is because it is such a convenient way to make money. Most people own a lawnmower, so all you need to do is next time your parent or guardian is cutting the grass, ask them if you can do it and learn how it works. After you've done it a few times and are good at it, there are probably lots of people who need their grass cutting in your neighbourhood. This could be elderly people who can't physically do it, or people who just don't have time. In these cases, people are likely to pay you a bit of money every week to take your lawnmower to their house and cut the grass, or you can use lawnmower at their house. So, thank you for watching. I know some of these methods you can't do from anywhere, and you actually have to go out to places to do them, but there's some of the methods I just thought would be good to mention and are suitable for teenagers to do. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, please leave a like, comment any feedback or questions, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching everyone, see you later.